Hey friends, it's Bridget here. Welcome back. Today we are going on two flavorful iconic journeys. We're going to be exploring two dishes, the Louisiana red beans and rice and the Jamaican stew peas and rice. Same red beans as we just call it stew peas. Anyway, let's get right into it. I used 2 packs of Grace kidney beans. We call it peas back home, but yes, it's the beans. Then I went on to use the Ayrshire Farm turkey sausage. This is a smoked sausage. I cut these in circles, guys. I rinse them. Then I'm going to put them in my pot to fry. I add some coconut oil to sear them off a little bit, give them a nice brown color, and also to release some of its smoky flavor into the oil. Then I cut up some onions and garlic and some celery and add it to the saucepan after my sausage was finished frying. Just letting it release all those flavors and sucking up all those aromatics. Then I went ahead and add some smoked turkey legs. These turkey leg guys, they're salty, so I had to wash them and scald them a little bit to remove some of the salt. But nonetheless, the smoky flavor was still there. So I seared these off into all that aromatics that was released from the sausage and the veggies. I then added 2 bouillon cubes, chicken bouillon, and I added some water, boiling water, to release all the flavors. Then I went in and I add my red beans that was soaked. I soaked these for about an hour. You could also do that overnight, but I soaked mine for an hour. Then I went in and I had 2 bay leaves, some adobo seasoning powder, also some Maggi. This is called combo seasoning powder. Then I add another seasoning powder. The seasoning powder will be in the description. I also add some onion powder, garlic powder, and I cover and let it cook for about 30 minutes. After that, I checked it. I add some more water to sink the peas. So if your peas is floating, guys, you add some cold water. So I added some cold water to sink the peas. 30 minutes later, there it is, guys. The turkey, its legs is falling off the bone. The meat is falling off the bone. I break that down and I add it to the peas again. Then I add those sausages in, just layering in the flavors, guys. Then I went in, I crushed some of the peas just to create a little bit of thickness, and put it back into the pot, and I added some more water. Adding in some thyme, and of course my Scotch Bonnet pepper, a little black pepper, and some Texas Pete hot sauce. Then I went in with a little bit more Louisiana seasoning. And you should have smelled the pot. I let that simmer for about another 15 minutes, guys. And there it is. It was finished. Time to plate. After 30 minutes, after 15 minutes, guys, it was nice and ready. I serve it over some yellow rice. Along with some fried plantains and some cornbread. The cornbread is usually the way how the Louisiana serves it, with the cornbread on the side, so I decided to do that as well. I wanted to get the experience, guys. Now, after that, I went on to do the stew peas. So I had some Gala beans as well. I pretty much use the same approach. I put them to boil, and I also had some pigtail and some salt beef, and I scald those, get the salt out of it, and I put it to boil, and then added to my peas to cook. So in this stew piece, I add some pigtail, salt beef, and chicken feet. Then I put those to boil. I add some spinach dumplings and add some seasoning, scallion, thyme, some coconut milk, and there you have it, guys. Now that we have explored these cultural dishes, they both have their own unique flavors. Why not give them a try? Until next time, I catch you in my next